everybody! Today we're going to be doing a science experiment with Evelyn using this book that we got at Target for only $1! Yay! The science experiment that we will be doing today is called Emerald City Pennies. What we will need is some paper towel, 2 clean shiny pennies, vinegar about 1/4 cup, a small bowl, and the results will be overnight. Doing a science experiment is very important that you follow directions. And I recommend that you read them twice over. Once to understand what the experiment is asking you to do. And twice, the second time, to follow what they're asking you to do. Our first direction is to draw and color some pictures of the pennies that we have. Our pennies are not very shiny, but we thought that they looked closest to this brown. Wow, Evelyn, you're doing such a great job! It's close enough to me! Alrighty, folks, now for direction number 2. It says to fold your paper towel in half and then fold it in half again into a square. Show us, Evelyn. She's folding it in half. And then she's folding it in half again, but that's a rectangle, so she's going to fold it in half one more time to make a square. Our third step, we're going to add the folded paper towel to the bottom of the bowl. Now for step number 4, we're going to slowly pour the vinegar into the bowl until the paper towel is complete vinegar. But remember, don't make a puddle, just soak the paper towel. Ew, this vinegar stinks! Put the pennies on top, Evelyn! Now we get to leave them here overnight, and we'll show you what happens